Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is week 1, day 6, and this workout burns between 0 to 608 calories. We are going to get started with a warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the drills we are going to perform. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back to the video to continue. Today's running workout is a recovery run for 30 minutes or 40 miles at a really comfortable pace. You should take one day out of the week to do a recovery run to let your body recover and help increase your weekly mileage. During the second and third phase, you will look forward to these recovery runs because they're short and let your legs recover faster from previous workouts. Today, there is no part 3. For the first phase, there is no strength conditioning workouts for day 3, day 6, and day 7. Use this time to rest and recover or perform more stretches to help keep your body healthy and injury-free. Concentrate on areas that feel tight like your IT band, hip flexors, or other areas that need improvement. You can use the running stretches found on the cooldown routine and increase the amount of time spent on each stretch from 30 to 60 seconds or perform each stretch 3 to 4 times. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. That's it for today. Remember that this is day 6 of phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.